Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelseavbrady. Today we're going to do a quick mini video on how I style my hair before I go travel. I'm getting done some passion twists for the first time and I'm super excited. Usually I do opt for box braids or single braids when I go travel, but this time I thought I'd spice it up a little bit and get some passion twists. So if you want to see how I got these passion twists plus some tips and tricks, then keep on watching. Okay, so for this style, we used 8 packs of some curly hair called LULU TRESS, and the braider started with a method called the rubber band method, in which she rubber banded the root of my hair and made sure it was tight, and then proceeded to twist the hair after the elastic band. Now, we made a little mistake and we took very strong CBD pills right before we started our hair, so I was feeling blessed. I was feeling bliss. I didn't feel a thing. Your girl was on cloud 9. But we'll get to how I fucked up at the end of this video because I'm telling you, the pain a couple hours after was excruciating, but we'll get there. Anyways, so this video is going to be split up into 2 parts, preparation and motivation. Preparation being how I prepare my hair before I get my passion twists, and motivation is why I decide to do passion twists before I go and travel. So first is preparation. To prepare my hair, I washed, deep conditioned, and stretched my hair the night before. I achieved the stretch by doing a twist out and I let it air dry overnight. The twist out is a heatless alternative to blow drying your hair. Now let me tell you sis, I've been on this natural hair journey for 6 years, and the #1 tip I'd give any natural is to cut heat out of your hair routine. No blow dryers, definitely no straighteners. We want our natural curl to thrive and be healthy and juicy and not dry and gross. So the morning of my hair appointment, I moisturize my scalp with an essential oil, usually jojoba, castor oil, or peppermint, and I unraveled my twists with the excess oil to seal in all the moisture from the twist out. This makes sure that your hair is moisturized, healthy, and will stay nice and strong during your entire protective style. Do not skip this step, please. So next is motivation, and I'm going to talk about what motivates me to do a protective style as my go-to travel hairstyle. So passion twist or any protective style is a great go-to style for vacation and travel because it obviously protects your hair. It's low maintenance and it keeps you looking polished in all situations. For me, I'm always on the go when traveling and I don't have the time nor the luxury of getting dolled up and taking hour-long showers to wash my hair in hostels. It's just not happening. But at the same time, I'm all about the travel blogger goals and I need to look cute 24/7 for photo ops. So I'm all about the passion twists, Senegalese twists, box braids, single braids, whichever protective style you like. And that is simple. You can put it in a bun, you can put it in a ponytail, wear it out. Whatever the style is, you will look good. And it's simple and easy. So how did I fuck up, you ask? Well, those CBD capsules got us feeling absolutely nothing and my hair was too tight. I didn't realize until a couple hours later. Long story short, maybe 2 or 3 days later, I woke up at 4 a.m. in my hotel room going crazy with a mental breakdown and I had to cut all of the twists out. So if you guys want another video on how to prevent your head from hurting and how to prevent braids that are too tight, please let me know. So I hope you guys like this video and it would mean the world to me if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle videos. Definitely give that bell a ring-a-ding-ding to turn on post notifications and never miss any of my uploads. Let's take this time of quarantine and chillage to self-care, self-love, and self-improve, starting with our hair. So let me know in the comment section what your favorite travel hairstyle is, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!